morning, we're here at TED. We're gonna buy a sample colors. There are new stores here in Lier, and we're waiting for the sales to come to assist us. And we're also gonna buy paint for the wall, just plain white, and this one. There's sample kitchen there, and there. Like that color is nice. I guess that is Deco Blue. And or can you put it there? This one? Is it right? That is nice. But it doesn't maybe fit there in the kitchen like that.
No, because it depends on what colors you have in that room.
But we have white.
Oh yeah.
Right?
We're white.
Guys, if you have a car, then you're just gonna ask someone to pick a wood, and then you have to pay on that side there. So we just have already scanned the item, so we'll just pay at the back. So yeah, we bought paint. And I'm not so sure if I will gonna like it, but we will see. See guys, it's like a rice field here. It's so wet. Guys, if the snow is melting already, so that's the worst part, because it's really wet, and you must have to have like high cut shoes, or else your shoes will be so wet. And if the snow will starts to melt, and then the next day it will be negative, and that will freeze, that's the worst part. That will be very slippery. So here, let's see here. It's like a rice field without a plant, without a rice there. If that will melt, and then that will be very slippery and very scary. Oh my god, it's so wet guys. That's water. See? That's wet. That's water there. See that? Okay, so we will gonna test the colors in the jeeps here. So I will gonna paint it first before we will gonna buy 1 liter of or before we will gonna buy a lot of paint. So I have here prøvefärge or color samples. I have here 6. I got it from Monted, and this is for free. These colors here, this one is very famous now in Norway, so I was gonna try to put it here, to paint it here before I was gonna paint it here. Because if I will not like it, then we will not gonna just throw our money, because we buy a lot. So we need to test it first. So we bought a sample here. This cost 45 kroners, or 350 pesos or 450 pesos. So, and this one is Deco Blue, I guess. Yeah, Deco Blue. So we will see if this will look the same in the wall or the gyps. Oh, it looks nice. Maybe this one I'm gonna use it in the bedroom, maybe one of the wall there in the bedroom. Colors, guys, this is famous now here in Norway, and I guess also in the Philippines. Some of the interior designer or like that curators, because I've seen in YouTube that they already use this paint. So the next I'm gonna paint here, guys, is this color sample here. This is called, the color is Oslo, and the color of this is like this, like that. I hope you can see it. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm done with the painting on the sample, so I still need to have 4 that is not yet bought. So we're gonna go back there in the store maybe Tuesday or Monday to see if they already have the available colors for it. That one is Deco, that is Deco Blue. So see if it's the same color. This one here is Oslo. So there, yeah, it's almost the same. It's not yet dried, like that. So we have a very bad lighting here. So in the next few days we will put LED lights in the ceiling there, the side and in the other side. So we will have a very good lighting here. Lighting here. Then we can see how this one looks like, because now it's getting dark, so we can see it nicely. So yeah, we will just update you soon about the 4 colors that we still need to paint on. So we will see, guys.